that pump is for the outside water.
Right. This pump against the wall is for inside water.
Okay.
That's enough. Now, the way you can tell is what feeds the pump. And this face is where the water comes in.
Yes.
And the water is coming into this pump from the tank.
Yes.
So it's not filtered.
Okay.
And that's the outside water. It's coming from this tank here.
Yes. Okay.
The water coming into this pump right here is coming from the bottom of this filter.
Okay.
The pipe comes up from the bottom of the filter and goes into the pump. And then it comes out the top and goes to the buildings. But first, it goes to the pressure pipes here.
Yes.
Now, these two inside pipes are pressure for the outside water.
Okay.
The two outside pipes is pressure for the inside building water.
Okay.
That's enough. Do you understand that?
Yes, yes.
These two end ones are for the inside buildings.
Yes.
For this.
Okay.
And the two outside ones are for the outside
building.
So
water. Yeah.
So that would depend on where the problem is. If the problem is inside, why then you'd have to drain these two.
Yes.
And if the problem is outside water, you drain these two.
Okay.
Pressure is what makes the system work. It's air in these pipes. Okay. And if there's no air in it, the pump will run like that.
Yes.
And that's telling you that they need air back in them.
Yes.
In order to put air back in them, you unplug the pumps first, whatever pump it is, the inside or the outside. Now this is the outside water. You want to turn the line off that's coming out of the pump first. Hold it, excuse me. Stop, turn it off before you drain the pipes. You also want to turn off the line that's going to the buildings. Hold it. Let me see where it's at. Just the top one.
The top one, okay.
Which is this top one. Hold it.
Okay.
They're not going to building because this is outside water.
Okay.
It's going outside. Now, I can, in order to drain the pipes, you have to open the valve which connects the pipes, which is down here for the outside water. Watch your foot. And you have to open these valves coming down. That lets the air back in. And that's enough water to drain out. You close this valve first. And then you'll close these air valves. That's enough.
Okay.
Each pipe has its own
Air valve.
You can see it coming down there.
Yeah.
But this one, you can see it's way up here.
Yes, yes.
Once you do that, you turn your lines back on again that you turned off. Let me start the pump first.
Okay.
So I got pressure water coming out,
Yeah.
and then we'll turn the lines on. That was the line from the pump to the pipes, and now I'll turn on the line that's continues on for the water lines. And the same would work
For the other one.
for the other one as well. But you have to look at where the pipes are going in order to know what to drain.
Yes.
Like I said, these two are for inside, and these two are for outside water. And so when you look down here, let's see. You can see this water coming out of the inside, going down here, and the pipes go into this one,
Yes, yes.
and the pipes also go into that one. So you would turn this off first before you drain the pipes.
Yeah.
That keeps the water from coming out of the pump.
Yes.
And you would also turn off the inside line, and it's for the building. The inside line shut off is right here.
Okay.
It goes to the buildings. Shut that off. And shut this one off. Now I think this one's got two drain valves. Yes, that one there. This drain is connected to this pipe here.
Yeah.
So it's going to shoot out this way. And the drain for this one is here.
Okay.
I just wait a little minute for make sure that the air is got back in here.
Okay.
Turn both them off again. Then you start your pump, and then you turn the lines back on again. And the line to the building. You need to get somebody to do that for you.
Yeah.
There'll be somebody around here, even if it's not on.
Yeah. Look, I could probably do it with two hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just, yeah. Okay. So that's on and that's on.
Well, hopefully that'll quit. This pump Might need to be replaced soon. I don't know. It don't seem like it's something. It's making a funny noise. I don't know. It can make a funny noise for a long time though before it goes. So.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
But anyway,
So now there's air in the system and everything should work.
oh, for a long time. It ought to work at least a month, probably 2 or 3 before. But when you hear the pump
Flapping.
going on and off, on and off, on and off, that's telling you I need air.
Yes, yes.
I need air to work because I filled up with water all the way, and now every time you turn on a valve or something, the pump comes on like that.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what it's telling you, to drain the air. And it's the same way over here.
Okay.
But you have to follow the pipes, you know.
Yeah.
There's 2 tanks here, and the well water fills both these tanks. But in case of an emergency, if the well water pump breaks or something, we have city water coming in this pipe that will fill up the tank. And this is the valve to turn the city water on if you ever need to.
Good.
Water coming in from the road, and this tank is for the big building.
Okay.
It's all city water. And this is the pump and everything, but if you have problems, if it's overflowing upstairs, it's done that once, the float messed up, you got to turn the pump off here.
Okay.
Stop. The red button. Stop.
Stop. Okay.
Yeah. That'll keep water from going up there and keep coming out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unplug?
You always unplug the pump first, and then turn the valve off that goes to the pump, and turn the valve off that goes to the line to your buildings, and then you can drain your pipes, your air pipes, and in reverse, turn the air, let the air get back in, and then shut everything off, and turn the pump on first, and then open your lines up.
Good. Okay. Good, good.